What's going on? Welcome to step 1. Losing images can be a nightmare. You put so much effort into capturing, editing, and incorporating those images into your projects. And the prospect of having to retrieve all those images, especially at short notice, in the event of a data loss incident, such as when a USB drive is lost, corrupted, or even if you just can't get access to the internet so you can't access your files online. You can still retrieve it as long as you have the PDF used for those images. In this case, I've got this Nikon PDF. I just got this online for demonstration purposes. All you need to do is open it in Adobe Acrobat DC, click More Tools, click Export All Images, and then you'll see you get this extra pane along the side here. Click Export All Images, go to your desktop or wherever you'd like to save it, create a new folder. Just call this one Nikon Images. And word of warning, this is a really important step because if you don't create a folder to store them in, it will just store them in the directory location that you selected. So in this case, it would just dump however many pictures were in this PDF onto my desktop. And nobody's desktop should look like that. So let's click Create, let's open our folder, and then we'll select that folder as the save location. And it's going to export all those images out to that folder. Let's have a look. Desktop, and there are our images. Now you can see that they've all been labeled very nicely, so you can see exactly which page they came from, and on that page which image they are in numerical order. Depending on how you set up things, you may want to rename these, and that can be a little bit of a chore, but hey, it's better than losing all those images completely. So that's how you can recover your images using Adobe Acrobat DC.